Replace homemade ant bait stations every few days to keep the active ingredient fresh and attractive to foraging ants. For effective DIY ant control, use a sweet or protein bait depending on the species, and refresh it on a schedule so worker ants carry it back to the nest. If you are using a sugar-based bait like boric acid mixed with syrup, prepare small batches and replace them every 3 to 5 days to prevent crystallization, fermentation, or drying that reduces palatability. For protein-feeding species, use a meat or peanut butter mix and refresh it on the same interval so it remains appetizing and does not spoil. After heavy rain, or if the bait becomes contaminated with soil, debris, or mold, discard and replace the station immediately because moisture and contaminants break down the active ingredient and stop ants from feeding. Monitor activity daily by checking whether ants are actively feeding. If activity drops but ants remain nearby, move the station a short distance to follow their trails rather than assuming the bait failed. Keep records for a week of which bait type and refresh interval produced the best colony decline so you can reuse the most effective method for future infestations. 3 common mistakes reduce homemade bait effectiveness and how to fix them. Leaving bait in place too long allows it to dry out, ferment, or be taken over by other insects, so replace bait every 3 to 5 days and after contamination. Using the wrong bait for the species is another frequent error. Identify whether ants are sugar feeders or protein feeders by observing what they ignore and what they take, then switch to the appropriate formula. Finally, placing bait in areas with competing food sources will lower uptake, so remove or secure household foods, clean surfaces, and place stations along ant trails and near entry points to increase transfer back to the nest. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers project information relevant to maintenance tasks like ant control, and we help contractors find leads and showcase services. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals exchange tips, ask questions, and share real-world experiences about pest management and ongoing home maintenance.